Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable Pro Mode on your DJI Mavic Mini. Okay, so first of all, when you are in the application, just click to go fly. Next, click right here and select the photo mode. And tap right here to switch from the automatic to Pro Mode. Right now you are able to adjust other parameters. For example, you can set the shutter speed manually. You can also set the white balance. You can turn off the automatic adjustment. You can change aspect ratio and also other things. As you can see, that's how it looks. So, if you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.